Hello everybody, what is up? I hope you are having the best day ever. This is Michaela Mooney, and today we are going to be doing Information and Codes 4 Discussion Assignment Part 1. It's been a while since I have recorded an assignment, so I'm excited to be doing that again. But let's jump right into it. Today we are going to be decoding this PostNet code, which we remember from the assignment. We see them on mail and letters, just from I think they said spam mail gets a lot, or like magazines, I think I see them on, because it just tells the postal code. So it tells our zip code, postal code, zip code, same thing. And today we are going to try and figure out what zip code this PostNet code is representing. And let's get right into it. So, first of all, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that way we can work closer with these little bars. First of all, we know that the first bar and the last bar are always tall, because they are what we called guard bars, which just tell us where the code starts and where it ends. So we don't use them when we're decoding the code, but we acknowledge them because they tell us, all right, guard bar. They tell us where the code starts and where it ends. And then same thing over here. But if we look at our chart over here, so the bars are 2 tall bars and 3 little bars, all in different orders to represent a different number. So that means we are going to break up this code into groups of 5 bars to get our numbers. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to start at the very beginning, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to mark it off to show that we're starting a new group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another new group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, that's a little close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this last one is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, not including our guard bars. So, as you can see, this code has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in it. And you might be thinking, what zip codes don't have 6 numbers? Because I know my hometown zip code is 49404, and that's only 5. That's because this last digit is actually our check digit, which helps us determine if our zip code is a valid zip code. So that's why there's 6 digits instead of 5 digits. But we'll get into that a little bit later. First, let's start decoding this PostNet code. So if we look at our first group, it goes short, short, tall, short, short. So if we look over at our table over here, we can see it's not 0 because that starts with a tall. It's not 1 because there's a short one here, but 2 goes short, short, tall, short, tall. Short, short, tall, short, tall. So our first number is 2. Second number, tall, short, short, tall, short. If we look at our table, we can see that 8 is also tall, short, short, tall, short. So that means our second number is 8. Our third number, tall, short, short, tall, short. Well, that looks familiar because it's the same thing as before. So this digit is also an 8. Our third digit goes short, tall, tall, short, short. If we look over here, 6 also goes short, tall, tall, short, short. So our next digit is 6. This one makes like a U shaped. It goes tall, short, 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 tall. 7 goes tall, short, 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 tall. So we can go ahead and put 7 there. And then our last digit, remember our check digit, goes tall, short, short. So that means it matches up with 9. Tall, short, short. So we can go ahead and write 9 right there. And I'm going to underline this to remember that it is a check digit, not a part of our zip code. Now to check if this zip code is valid, what we're going to want to do is add all of the digits together, including the check digit, and then if our sum ends in 0, then our zip code is valid. So let's go ahead and do that right now. If we do 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9, 9 being our check digit, we get a total of, let me get my calculator out, we get a total of 40. And 40 ends in 0, so that means we are all good. This zip code is valid, so we can safely say that the zip code that this postnet code represents is 28867. And with that, we've done it. We've successfully decoded this postnet code. I hope you had a great time. I know I did, and I am so grateful that you listened to me. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.